Wagwan viewers, it's your boy Clean Car Chris. Welcome back to my channel where it's all about car detailing with nothing but good vibes. Yeah man, today's video is gonna be all about wheel cleaning tips for beginners. Stay tuned. Before we dive into it, if it's your first time logging on to my channel, I want you to check out my videos. I'm sure you'll find something there for you that you might enjoy. So you don't know, subscribe if you love the vibes and make sure you turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any time I upload a new video. Respect. Tip number one, you want to get yourself a designated wheel bucket. You see I have my auto fiber wheel bucket right here. It even has a label on it, right? So you never get them confused with the other buckets, right? Reason being, you want to keep all the dirt and grime that are from the wheels in one bucket, separate from your buckets that you're actually going to use to wash your paint, right? Tip number two, you want to get yourself designated wheel brushes. I actually did a full-fledged video on the channel about that, so you can check that video out. I'm sure it'll be very useful. It's very informative, right? But just for example, in my wheel bucket here, your long fender brush, a barrel brush, a brush to scrub the tire walls, and a brush, it's in here somewhere guys, you know, for the face. Tip number three, you got to choose the right chemicals that you're going to use to clean your wheels. For example, it's Adams Wheel and Tire Cleaner. It's in the IK sprayer here. I have this in here diluted 1:1. And then for more maintenance type details, in here it's the brake buster. You see I kind of just put a BB so I know it's my brake buster. In here I have this diluted 10:1. This is for more like maintenance stuff. So make sure you read the instructions of all your chemicals guys and use them properly. Tip number four, you got to agitate the right parts of the wheel, right? So you're going to use your brushes to obviously agitate the wheel wells under here. You're going to agitate the barrels. You're going to agitate the face and obviously the tire wall. And if the wheel you're working on has brake calipers, you're going to agitate those. Right here also by where the tire valve is, you want to get under here. And if the wheel you're working on has lug nut areas, you want to agitate those areas there as well. All right, tip number five is after you've done your agitation and cleaning, you might want to go ahead and use a spray-on, spray-off sealant to protect the wheel. Like I said, this will protect the wheel, it will help it keep cleaner for longer, so on your next maintenance detail, it's going to be a breeze to detail, right? So product like this, once the wheel is wet, clean and cool to the touch, you just want to do a couple spritz in the barrels as well. I'm sure you guys have seen me use this product a lot. It's awesome. G on wet coat, spray on and rinse off immediately. Just like that, and if you notice, you see some nice tight water beading on the wheel. That's how you know the product has been applied properly. Tip six is if you have a blower like this, it doesn't have to be this Ego blower, it can be any leaf blower. It's a good tool to have. I mean, of course you can get by without it, but these come in very handy to dry off wheels especially. So like how it's been protected with the wet coat, it's gonna make drying a breeze. Tip number seven, once your wheel is clean and protected, you want to go ahead and apply a nice tire shine that does not sling. Couple things to consider. Picking the right tire shine. This one is readily available, especially for you beginners out there, right in your local Walmart. I believe they have them in Advanced Auto Parts, places like that also. It leaves a nice shine to the wheel, but it doesn't sling, which is most important, right? You want to choose the right applicator. Here I have a Adams Hex Grip applicator. They're pretty awesome. Only downfall to them I would say is after a while they become really kind of almost slimy from all the dressing you use over time. But to kind of go around that, you can get yourself a nice detailing brush. This one is a Boris here detailing brush. It works okay to apply the tire shine, and also you don't have to worry about your hands getting all slippery and slimy from the dressing. And a good thing about these brushes too, it's kind of easier to get under the bottom area here of the tire. Alright, and there you have it. My beginners out there, chime in, drop me some comments, let me know if this video was helpful, you know what I mean? All the tools I used in today's video are actually linked in my description, so you can click them and check them out if you want. So you don't know, guys, it's your boy Clean Car Chris coming at you again with another banger video. A lot of these topics I covered today, I did more in depth in some other videos on the channel, so you can click on the channel, check those out also, show me some love. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. Respect, guys. See you on the next one.